So this box right here is from Stalwart. It's very simply a 4-drawer organizer and tool holder at the top. I've got a terminal cleaner, I've got a bunch of extra wire, got to have some electrical tape. I've got a AC/DC clamp meter. One thing I love about this more than anything is the organization. If you're on a boat or an RV, finding your tools is imperative. And having the ability to have not one, not two, 3 and 4 different organizer trays with all of your things in separate bins. Now these are adjustable, so all of the items are stored inside these individual bins. In this case, I have a bunch of my marine grade butt splices and connectors. So I can adjust these by pulling these out and rearranging them. Some of them, like for my zip ties down here, I've made it full length so I can throw my wire tying zip ties in, or my switches that were too big for a single. I'll put those in here. So I've organized mine this way. So this top one here is going to be all my wire connectors. Also got some twist connectors on here, and these are all waterproof. So that's one of the things I keep handy on the boat. But if you've got a boat or an RV, or maybe you're just really disorganized and you need to improve the organization of all of your tools, this is where it's at. Now, a boater can't go without stainless. You see a little bit of surface rust on these, but stainless steel hardware, incredibly valuable. And having something to organize all these screws, if I'm doing an electronics project, I can get a wire tie, I can get a switch, I can get a couple butt splices, and my stainless hardware to screw it all back together out of the same toolbox. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and stack one together for my RV. Whether you're doing radio installations, whether you're doing solar, which would be great for some solar tools. If you're doing car audio, if you're doing marine stuff, this is great for organizing. They come in a box, looks just like this. So inside of it, very, very simple. This is going to tell you a little bit about the dimensions of it and the organization and how you can put it together. Looks like it is, total cabinet dimensions is 11 by 7 by 10 inches. And the large compartment dimensions it's saying are 10.5 by 6.25 by 2.5. Tons of room. So that thing's going to be 10 inches across. It's going to have the compartment here. Looks like it is 5 inches deep. We'll have to see, maybe 2.5 on this. I'll have to see. We'll fit enough tools as we can in here. The way that front opens, just push down on these. Don't try to pull on it, but push down on it. That prevents it from just tipping over and all your stuff falling out, which I like. And then you've got these empty bin holders that you can rearrange and order however you want.